Makaih.
Drop.
Hey guys, welcome back to... I'm always walking with my hands up.
Every time.
Every time.
Woohoo!
Hey guys, welcome back to 520 Speedworks. We are still carrying on with our wrecked Cobra project. Big things are happening. I just got back from California, dropped the body off. I'm not sure if you've already seen that video, where we are with it, but that just happened in real time. And going from there. Gilly, while I was gone, Gilly started working, getting the dash all cleaned up. We did our first little polish over here. So, not polished, polished, not polished, polished. And this is not even close. This is just where we started, just to get a look at it. So, today, we are going to, there's a big airplane out there. I don't know how much that you can hear. Today, we're going to get the dash installed. We're going to get the holes drilled in the dash, pretty much get it permanent, or as permanent. It'll be removable, but it'll be permanent. And then we'll get good polishes on it. I'm probably going to do some wiring. I don't know. We'll figure something out. Thanks for being here. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. If you have subscribed, sweet. Let's get going. All right, underneath here, I have a fuse box that is for switched power. So we're going to add switch power, things like USB plug-in. Our flash to pass needs switch power. The EFI needs switch power. The displays need switch power. Basically, switch power when you, like, for us, it's going to be a switch, but when you turn the key on, that's what puts power to everything else. Unlike battery power, which is always there, this is just switch power. And each one has their own individual fuse and all that kind of good stuff. So, we're going to finish up the headlight assembly, and after that, then we'll just move on to something else. Here we go. Alright guys, I got our relay box built. This has a relay in it that when you press the high beam button with the lights off, it'll give you flash to pass. And then with the lights on, it's your normal high beam button. And then the other half, there's some more relays in here that on the back of this car, it has two tail lights on each side. One was generally for the blinker and the other one was for the brake. By this box, it now makes them both brakes and both blinks. So a little more safety, a little more visibility. I didn't show you how to build. I didn't show you how I make this because I sell these. So yeah, there we go. But that's what this is. We're gonna put it in.
Which hole do you want to use? These ones? Or these ones? Probably these ones because they're further away, huh?
Probably something closer to the edge.
Yeah, it's probably these.
Yeah.
This is an impressive little speaker, I have to admit.
It's a cool little speaker. Okay.
I thought that would be easier than doing a separates, you know?
God, I wish you think this will stick to. I really want to.
Oh well, yeah, if you put a little weldwood on it.
I guess we can stick it on now, and if it falls off,
Yeah, we'll weldwood it.
we'll weld it. This is that high. This is that high, heavy duty
Velcro?
Velcro.
See if you can pull it off there.
Nope. It's good. Done. All right, now let's wire this son of a biscuit up.
You're gonna get rid of a lot of wires with that one, aren't you?
Yeah.
Hopefully.
Yeah. Alright, so there is the turn signal. Got it on a little thing so we can do a quick disconnect from the dash.
Nice.
Alright guys, we need to put this relay into the main power because we are not using a key. We're going to use this switch to turn power on. But the switch can only handle like 10 amps, which is way more than this. So we have a 80 amp relay that we need to solder in and put in here. So that's what we're going to do. Alright guys, we're going to start setting up the switches on the dash. so that we can flip it over and I can wire the back side of it and all that. We'll be able to take them all out, but
I like it.
Start button.
Middle.
Like a Lamborghini. Oh yeah. Can you see that little thing inside there?
How'd you have it on there before?
I had it flipped upside down,
Oh.
but it needs to.
Yeah, upside down. Yes, great.
Thank you. I know we're all going to pull it all off one more time to give it another. All right, guys, these words are really going to come back to haunt us. As in real time, this dash pretty much is no longer existent. We had to start from scratch due to some unfortunate travels. So with that, yep, admire it, like it, but as I will say that the next dash turned out, or is turning out because we're still laying it up right now, is turning out 500 times better than this one. So with that, we'll get back to it. All right, not sure where the battery died at, but we got the dash harness connector good to go. Gilly's bringing the dash back in, so we still got some more cleanup to do. We got some wires here, wires over there, but not too shabby.
Okay. Try that again. Oh, this is probably what it was hitting on. Not those switches anymore. Okay, go ahead. Cobra Rebuild. Oh, there's something. Oh shit. Okay, I swear the dash used to fit. Actually, looking at this gap,
Looks like there's lots of room.
well, you got that 1/4 inch speaker
Oh,
too.
yeah. All right, guys, there we go. So, look at that carbon. All right, guys, we're gonna knock it off for the night. Yeah, we'll come back tomorrow and I'll start again. Oh, let's get the.
Yep.
How does that look on camera? Heck yeah. I like it.
Like it's meant to be.
I like it. Where's my phone?
There.
All right, guys, with that, we'll be back.